Hello everyone and welcome back to Criminology Clips. Today we're looking at Unit 2, AC2.1, Genetic Theories of Criminality. Now there's two that we need to cover, but today we're focusing on twin and adoption studies. Now it's quite often the case that crime runs in families, and there have been many studies that suggest that children of criminal parents are more likely to be criminals themselves. And genetic theories attempt to explain this. All family members are blood relatives. They share the same genes, and according to genetic theories, if one family member has criminal genes, it's likely that their blood relatives will also possess those criminal genes. So in order to test this theory, genetic theorists have used twin studies. Now there's two types of twins. Monozygotic twins are identical twins. They share 100% of their DNA, and they're developed from the same fertilised egg. So if the genetic theory is correct, if one monozygotic twin is criminal, then the other twin should also be criminal. However, if one twin is criminal and the other isn't, that suggests that the cause of crime is environmental rather than genetic. An example of a twin study would be Christiansen's study of 3,586 twins in Denmark. And he found that there was a 52% concordance rate between monozygotic twins. And that means that where one twin had a criminal conviction, there was a 52% chance that the other twin would also have a criminal conviction. He also found that with dizygotic twins, that's non-identical twins that don't share 100% of the DNA, there was only a 22% concordance rate. So that provides evidence that the cause of criminality is genetic. Now, adoption studies are also used to test genetic theories of crime, and adoption studies compare the adopted children to their adopted parents, but also to their biological parents. If a child is adopted soon after birth and their behaviour in relation to crime is similar to that of their adopted parents, it suggests that criminality is related to environmental factors, not genetic factors. But if the child's behaviour is similar to their biological parents, the ones that they don't live with but are biologically connected to, it suggests criminality is genetic. Now, Mednick et al. Examined data on over 14,000 adopted sons in Denmark between the years of 1924 and 1947. And they found that the sons were more likely to have a criminal record if their birth parent had a criminal record. But they were less likely to have a criminal record if their adoptive parent had a criminal record, again providing support for the genetic theories of criminality. So let's have a review and reflect. What's the difference between monozygotic and dizygotic twins? What's meant by concordance rate? And what did the concordance rates in Christiansen's twin study suggest? And finally, how can adoption studies be evaluated? See you next time.